Swapping BNB for ETH in MetaMask is easy, but requires connecting to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Here's how to do it. Set up MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask, download and install it as a browser extension or mobile app. Create or import an existing wallet, and make sure your BNB is in the Binance Smart Chain network. Connect MetaMask to a DEX. Open PancakeSwap or Uniswap in your browser. Connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button and selecting MetaMask. Ensure BNB is on BSC network. Double check that your BNB is on the Binance Smart Chain network. If not, you need to add BSC to your MetaMask. In MetaMask, go to Settings, Networks, and add the BSC network details. Swap BNB for ETH. On the DEX, select BNB in the From field and ETH in the To field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to swap for ETH. Click Swap, confirm the transaction, and approve it in MetaMask. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to process. After confirmation, your ETH will appear in your MetaMask wallet.